Veterans versus Daddy versus.
Yung mapakalan natin yan.
Wala po.
Ba't mo siya makinig?
Hindi ka naman.
Jump ball again, jump ball. First position of the stock. It's the veteran low. 2-0. Now we kill to Arroyo. Cachichurrera for 3. Too strong. Rebound on Alonso. Back to Arroyo. 1-1. Arroyo move. Pick. Arroyo move. Arroyo. Let me pass out. Good ball. 10 to shoot. Papa Japs. 4-3. Short. Rebound on Alonso. It's 2-all. It's Pistac versus Isabela. Our inter-province category. Now the rock and roll Lim. It's 4-3 by Lim. Short. Rebound top by Saur. Cachichurrera. It's Arroyo. 1-1 move. Defense on Saur. Arroyo again. Rebound. Nice move. It's troubling violation against Arroyo. 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Lim to the Bertel load. Pasalo. Short. Rebound on Arroyo. Alonso to Arroyo. It's 2-all. Papa Japs. Cachichurrera. 14 to shoot. Bang! Bang! On Papa Japs. It's 5-2. 3-point lead. Isabela. Rolyo. Back to Lim. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound on Basalo. 14 seconds. Basalo. 1-1. Basalo play. Basalo. Nice ball. Basalo. 4-5. It's 1-point lead now. Isabela. Bang! Oh, Cachichurrera. It's 8 against 4. 4-point lead now on Isabela. Pasalo again. Looking for the veteran. Play. 14 to shoot. Pasalo. Nice pass outside. It's Lim. Bang! Rock and rolling. 8-6. 2-point lead Isabela. Crossover throw by Yuri. Move. Yuri still on. Pistac. It's Lim. 2-on-3. Load. 14 to shoot. Asano. Kick out pass. Lim. Bang. 10 to shoot. Rolyo. Short. Rolyo again. Bang. Load. Too strong. It's a ball. 6 minutes and 37 seconds. 8 against 6. 2-point win Isabela. Rolyo. Short. Rebound on Arroyo. Tugas itu Rena. Big. Papa Japs. In and out. It's to Rena again. It's foul. Foul on Rolyo. First personal foul on Rolyo. First team foul on Pistac. Japs. Yuri. Rebound top. Lim. 6 minutes. Now Sahor. It's Sahor. Bang! 8-all. 5 minutes and 48 seconds. We're live on the Facebook page. Basketballista, Yuri. Back to Yuri. Move, attack, jump, Papa Jumps, third try. Bang, bang, bang! On Papa Jumps. Eliminate. 3-point ginagat by Isabela. Now Lim. Looking for the veteran. Oh, let me try. Too strong. Rebound by Arroyo. It's Arroyo. Galing by Basalo. Now Papa Jumps. Galing by Lim. Papa Jumps. Uy, Gachichurena, back to Papa Jumps. 14 to shoot. Alonso, Gachichurena. In and out. Now load. It's Lim. Back to load, outside, Basalo. It's foul. Foul on Arroyo. It's first personal foul on Arroyo. First team foul, Isabela. Arroyo. To load. Time to shoot. Whoa! Sahor! 10-11. 1 point lead Isabela.
Taas, yung shooter. Hello.
Jumps. Short. Gachichurena. Back to Yuri. It's Yuri bomb. Short up. And Lim. Now it's 3-2. Lim. Rock and roll in. Nice pass side. Laon. Stop up. Laon foul.
Baba na lang.
Foul on number 34 on Gachichurena. It's second team foul on Isabela. First on Gachichurena. Now 11 all. First deadlock of the game. Now Arroyo. Kali may load. Alonso, kick out pass. Gachichurena. Tap by Alonso. 14 to set sa clock. To Gachichurena. Nice defense on Basalo. It's foul. Foul on Basalo. It's first on Basalo. Second team foul on Bisdak. Well, spreading the side, Isabela against Bistak, inter-province category. Now 2-point lead on Isabela, 13-11. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Lim, guarded by Yuri. Basalo. Sahor. Is loose ball by Isabela. 3 minutes. Yuri. Shot. Foul. Bang. Basket count and 1 on Arroyo. Thirteen foul on Bistak. Foul on Sahor. 16 against 11. 5-point lead on Isabela. Now Rakan Lim. The veteran load. Drive. Escape. Side step. Top. Kick out pass to Lim. Short. Rebound. No, now Gachichurena. 1-1. Gachichurena again. Gachichurena. Bang. Time out. On Bistak, it's 18-11, 7-point lead on Isabela. And this timeout is brought to you by Cora Sports, Basketballista, Dewey, the Inkers, and Abu Dhabi Rock Band. And our official referee for tonight, Referee Jomong and Referee Monroe. Still, we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Lee. 14 to shoot. Sahor. Prolio. Carried by. Now Lim. Open jumps. Too strong. Rebound again on Arroyo. It's got Chuturana. 18 against 11. It's 9-point lead now. Isabela. Basalo. Passed outside. Nice move. Basalo again. Basalo to the top. It's Prolio. Yes, on Prolio. Coming from Basalo. 13 to 20. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yuri Yugio. Yuri. Kachuturana. Back to Yuri. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. In and out. Top. Yao Alonso. 22-13. Laud. Short. Rebound on Papajap. He's Papajap's 3-on-3. 1 minute. Papajap's let me try. Gachuturena. Open jump. Nice fake. Gachuturena. Grab. Gachuturena all the way. 24-13. 11-point lead now Isabela. Load. Carried by 2. 14 to shoot. Yes, on the veteran low. Yuri. Foul on number 2 on Basalo. It's second personal foul on Basalo. Warning for penalty on Mista. 26 seconds, 26. Nice one by Yuri Yogio Yuri. 20 seconds. Basalo. Too strong. Prolio. 14. He's still on. Gachuturena. It's Gachuturena. 5 seconds. Basket count on the veteran load. It's 18. Against the 27, it's 9-point lead on Isabela. Second quarter ready up, second quarter. Isabela ball, Isabela, white ball.
Nakuha.
Now Sakari. Valeriano! 29-18. It's 11-point lead now Isabela. Flores. Bren. Back to Flores. Short. Valeriano. Looking for Nakwa. Loose ball. It's Simbaco, 1-1. Simbaco! 29-39. It's 9-point lead on Isabela. Fourteen to shoot. Nakwa. Too strong. Rebound by Mendoza. It's Valeriano. 10 to shoot. Short.
Suena.
Bisa, para karet.
Flores. Valeriano. It's Valeriano. Guarded by Nava. Nice defense on Nava. Nava time. It's Nava. Nava, stop, pull out, jumper, too strong, rebound on Flores, Flores again, 14 seconds, Nava, second time, short, Valeriano. 8 minutes and 10. Now, Pagkaret. Suela, back to Pagkaret. Valeriano. Guarded by Nava. It's Valeriano to Mendoza. 10 to shoot. Nakwa. Short. It's Nava. Makasibang. Let me try Makasibang. Too strong. Rebound on Valeriano. To Pagkaret. 2 on 3. 3 on 2. Pull out jump. Bang! 31 to 20. Now Nava. Brent. Simbaco. Too deep. Valeriano rebound. Now Suela. Suela looking for Mendoza. What a pass! Now 33-20, 13-point lead now. Montero on Isabela. Nava, short. Rebound on Valeriano. It's 3 on 2. 3 on 2. Takaret. Same fat. Too strong. Rebound on Flores. It's Flores stop. Bren. Kanya by Montero.
Nagtakbo lang daw silang ilang minuto.
Now Flores. Bren. Nice defense. It's a white ball. 33 to 20. 13-point lead in Sabana. Margaret to Suela. Let me try. Too strong. Suela. It's foul. Foul on Montero. His first on Montero. First team foul Isabela. Montenegro. Bren. Short. Nakwa. Now Parcaret. Same spot. Parcaret. 35-20. Nice shot by Parcari. Nava. Rebound on Parcari. Valeriano moves pa. Bang! Basket kanan, 1 on Valeriano. It's foul on Flores. First personal foul on Flores. First team foul on Isla. Bonus free throw coming from Valeriano. Basket timeout, Tyler. Basket timeout. Oh, Simbaco. 37-22. 15-point in Isabela. Valeriano. To Montenegro. Parcare. Nakwa. Nice pass outside. Valeriano 10 to shoot. Fade away shot. Short. It's Makasibang. Foul. Foul on Valeriano. Timeout on Bistak. His first timeout is brought to you by Basketballista.
390.
Bigay ko na ngayon.
Bukas ko bibigay yung tapos iba.
Saka yung sukli, bukas na lang. 400 ba? Thank you, sir.
4 minutes. We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Nava. Simbaco. Black by Nakwa. Simbaco again. Short. Now Parcare. Suela. Guarded by Flores. Outside to Montenegro! In and out! 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Makasibang! Bang, bang, bang! Makasibang! 25 to 37. Back to 12-point lead on Isabela. Wow! Valeriano! Montenegro? Suela short, rebound on Zimbago. It's Nava. Nava blocked by Montenegro. Baseball pass. Turnover on Isabela, 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Now Nava. It's foul. Foul on number 31. Consuela, first, second team foul on Isabela.
Nag-iwalay lang kami kasi yung package, yung team talaga namin sa
26 to 37. It's 11-point lead now on Isabela.
Ginawa namin si Albay. Malam kala namin, kakampitan nila Biras.
27-37. Still 10-point lead Isabela. Parkery to Montenegro. Back to Parkery. Montenegro, 10 to shoot. Nakwa. Bang! AC jump by Nakwa. 2 minutes. Nava. Flores. Zimbago to Makasibang. Makasibang. Open jump again. Too slow. Rebound on Flores. Blocked by Marcari. 14 na set sa clock 14.
Bawas tayo.
Foul. Foul on Suela. Time out on Isabela. It's 13 foul on Isabela. Second on Suela.
Time out.
Siya shorts mo. Suot mo ka kasi manghahanap sila.
Fourteen is sa clock 14. Turnover on Isaac. Suela to Parkari. Back to Suela. Suela attack. Suela move. It's foul. Foul on Sirate on Zimbago. It's second team foul of Isaac. Where is on Zimbago? 2 free throw shot coming from Suela.
Ba't ayaw magpakita yung dati? Umibili ko t-shirt.
Piso din naman niya sa Big Mart.
Bakala.
Sa susunod.
Nava Flores. Nava. Rebound by Nakwa. 1 minute. Nakwa. Parkari. It's Valeriano. Cross post pass. Montenegro. In and out. Tap again. It's Isabela ball. 14 is a shot clock. 45 seconds. Valeriano. Side step. Pass to Suela. 41-27. 38 seconds.
Pero bakit hindi na naka-score ang...
Makasibang. Rebound on Sala. 20 seconds. Whoa! Valeriano! 10 seconds. Nice on burn. And now for second quarter score 43-29. All by Isabela.
Oh, bawas tayo, bawas. O, ganon, bawas tayo, bawas. Sige na. Lang.
Papa John! What's mine?
Tira.
Magkano ito? Iikot mo sa akin para alam ko yung lista ko. Reg, ganon, 100.
Pila lamang eh.
100 binigay ni Regalo. Nagbayad daw sa'yo si Japs kahapon.
Hindi ko bigay. Japs. Hindi ko bawas. Wala pang bawas sa ano ha. Yung Filipino balance mo ha. Wala pang bawas dun ha. Wala pang bawas dun ha. Yung Filipino sa ako, wala pang bawas na. Wala ka nang bawas, wala ka pang bawas na sa Filipino balance. Wala ka pang bawas yung Filipino balance mo. Yan nga, yung Filipino nga siya usapan natin. Wala pa kang binigay.
May pagpasamin ko.
Bistak ball, bistak.
Kaya number 7, number 7. Box 1, number 7.
Now, Nava. The veteran load. Lim, Big. Basalo. Bang! Basalo. Now, Yuri. Kachiturana. Guarded by the little drummer boy. Lim. Nava. Too strong, top.
Never, never.
Now, Kachiturana. Yuri. Run. Now, Nava. Drive. Attack. It's Nava. Guarded by... Nice pass to Guillermo. Nice style. Nice defense on Kachiturana. It's 43-31. 12-point lead on Isabela.
Si Regalo, iniwan na lang yung pera dito. Hindi na lang nag-report.
Load. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 26 on Guillermo. First on Guillermo. First in foul, Isabela. Foul. Foul on Kachiturena. It's second team foul on Isabela. Second personal foul on Kachiturena. Little drummer boy. Too strong. Yuri. To Guillermo. 8 minutes. 14 to shoot. Alonso, kick out pass, Yuri. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Yuri! Lim! Rebound on Arroyo. Nice pass! Oh, too deep. Rebound on Lim. Looking for Load, the veteran. 2 on 3, Load, stop up, pull out, jump. Bang, bang, bang on the veteran low. 43-34. It's 9-point lead, Isabela. Bang, bang, bang! On Arroyo! 46-34. Back to 12-point lead on Isabela. Nice pass. Counter is foul. Foul on Gatchiterena in second. Third personal foul on Gatchiterena na third on Isabela. $35-46, 11-point lead on Isabela. Arroyo. Black. May Basalo. Yuri. Foul. Foul on number 12 on the little drummer boy. On Reganon. First on the little drummer boy. Guillermo, 10 to shoot.
Get to shoot, no?
5 to shoot, 5 seconds to shoot, 6 minutes and 13.
Tira!
24 shot clock violation, 24 in 6 minutes.
Yuri! Yuri!
Now it's foul. Foul on number 18 on Yuri. It's warning for penalty on Isabela. First on Yuri. Nava. Short. Nava again. Kick out pass to veteran Laud. Short. Rebound by Arroyo. It's 3-on-3. Arroyo. Arroyo mo. Arroyo to zone. Rebound on Lim. It's 3-on-2. Laud. Back to Lim. Nice mobile. Hey! 37-46. Gatchiterena. Alonso. Kick out pass, Guillermo. In and out, rebound again on Isabela. It's Gatchiterena, 14 seconds clock. Gatchiterena, let me try. Bang, bang, bang. On Gatchiterena, it's 49-37. Back to 12-point lead on Isabela. Lim. Too strong. Rebound on Yuri. Yuri's foul. Foul on number 12 on the little drummer boy. Reganon, his second team foul on this knock. Something to set up some rep. Guillermo. Alonso. Naku. Oh, I was 51 against the 37. It's 14-point lead back to Isabela. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. The veteran Laud. Too strong. Rebound on Montenegro. Yuri. Whoa! Hantan Yuri! 53.37. 4 minutes. Basalo! 39.53. He's back to 14-point lead Isabela. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Arroyo, 55-39 in 3 minutes and 40. It's Nava all the way on Nava, 41-55. 14-point lead back to Isabela.
Jump ka din.
41.55.
Simbako to Nava. All the way. Nice move by Nava. Time out on Isabela. It's 43 against the 55. 12 point lead on Isabela. This timeout is brought to you by Toro Sports, Basketballista, TUI, and the Inkers sa Abu Dhabi.
Pero, dito sa sa'yo, parang bagos ko.
Bibigyan mo ako sa 10 kaya pabili akong isda. 20 na. Para kay mantika.
Bayad mo sa court niyo.
3 minutes! Little Drummer Boy, load! Simbago, block! Montenegro is foul! Foul on number 8 on Simbago is 13, foul on Istak.
Tapos second.
Second on Simbago.
Ikaw nito.
600.
Leban doon? Ako itong pura nito rin yan. Hindi, 100 yung may kanina.
400.
Isa court yun eh. Yung isa.
100.
56 against 43.
Kung sa kanina kayo eh.
57, 43.
7.
100.
Kanina. Dito wala. Ang bigat ko yun, di ba? 50.
Basalo. 14 na shot clock, 40.
50. Wala. Ito wala.
Time to shoot.
Shooter!
Rebound on Montenegro. 2 minutes. Arroyo. Move, Arroyo. Rebound on Simbago. Now the little drummer boy. Little drummer boy. In and out. Guillermo. Nakwa. Montenegro. Arroyo. Bang! Arroyo. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Bang, bang, bang! On Basalo. 46-59. 13-point lead Isabela.
Ngayon naka-3 ah.
Guillermo. Short. Rebound on Nava. Nava. 55 seconds. 4 on 2. Arroyo. By Basalo. It's 45 seconds. Montenegro. Guillermo. Tap. Arroyo. 61 to 46.
Totoo yun?
Laud. Same spot. Basalo. Too strong. Tap. Laud. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Nakwa. Penalty. $47-61.
Katulad nung sa White, hindi na finals to, hindi na nakakasama.
10 seconds.
Good!
59-61 our score. End of the third quarter. Fourth quarter, ready up, fourth quarter.
Bakit 49 dapat 40? 3 points ba yan? 3 points yan?
Fourth quarter, fourth quarter.
Dali na, wala ng timer.
Diyan pa naman siya. Ayan, may shooter.
Wala kay Yuri.
Baka umuwi na, hindi mo pinapasok eh.
Masipag mo eh. Ako mo yung mga masipag.
Bukod siya dun sa... Butangin.
Yung mga matatanda.
Suela. Oh, inang.
Jump ball, bistak ball, bistak.
Anong quarter pala?
Yun, mabas na ka.
Now never. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, never. 61-51, 11 point lead now on Sabela. Ilos Santos, short, top, rebound on Nakwa. Foul. Foul on Sahor.
Second.
Second personal foul on Sador. First team foul on Bisdak. 9 minutes. Foul. Second team foul on Bisdak. Foul on Bren.
First and break.
First on Bren. 62-52. 10 point lead now on Sabela. 63. 52. It's white ball, last touch on red. Ilos Santos, short. Stepping on the line, it's violation. It's violation.
Wala si Viray, no?
Nava. Suela. Yuri dive. Oh! Hantam Yuri. Veteran versus a rookie. Size Bren. Boom. Kick out pass to Bren. 10 to shoot, 10. 40 to set clock, 40. In and out, Suela. Now Yuri, it's Yuri. Time out. On the start, in 67-52, 15-point lead against Isabela. After the game, 7 minutes and 25 seconds.
Bigyan mo siya ng alis ng wala. May 100 sunod ng full basikon. Na walang nagbayad.
Short! Nice on De Los Santos! 69-52. Nava, Lim. As on Nava. 69-54. 15-point lead Isabela. Suela. 10-14 to shoot. Yuri. It's Pistak ball, 69-54. All by Isabela. Nava, all alone by Nava, 56-69. 13-point lead on Isabela. Five minutes. Yuri, 14 to shoot. Nagwa. Top. Now there is Reyes, De Los Santos, reset shot clock 14. Suela, 10 to shoot. 5. Still on Nava. Nava to the rebound on Lim. Now Lim. Looking for Nava. Save ball. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Sub, Galilano. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Nava. Galilano. Pasalo, 10 to shoot. 3-second violation on Nava. Score. 4 minutes and 20, 69 against the 56. Guillermo. Kanil pa yung pangasibang. Guillermo, Lucia too strong by Guillermo. Top. Rebound on Nakwa. Black by Basalo. It's named to Nava. Still by Magliano. 4 minutes.
Kalma lang.
Guillermo. Oh, Guillermo. 14 to shoot.
Kalma, baby.
Suela. Black by Basalo. Foul. Out ang Makasibang. 13 foul on Pistak.
Magkasibang.
Substitution up. Sub.
Suela.
17 to 56. 3 minutes and 46 seconds. 4, 10 last quarter short. Rebound ng Basalo. Laud, Jordan Montenegro, Laud, we're now, Laud, it's Barkley too. Laud now, fake, nice defense on Papabones, it's Guillermo to the Los Angeles spot, Guillermo back! Smiley face coming from Guillermo.
Wala yung isang smiling.
Nava, Lim, Montenegro. Now smiling face again, Guillermo. Oh, back to Guillermo. Bang! Time out. On Bistak, 74-56. It's 18-point lead on Isabela.
Tama pala na sila.
Isa lang? Isa lang. Yung isa pa.
Brolio. Flores.
Iwa!
Yung ball ng Montenegro.
Ano yan? May laro sila? Sa taas?
Semis sa Kalidillo.
Bang! On Guillermo.
Smiling face.
Red. Rebound ng Montenegro. For carry, 2 minutes. Bariliano, kick out pass, same spot, short. Rebound ng Alonso. 1 minute and 58 seconds, 14 set shot clock.
Ila shooter.
10 to shoot. Bang, bang, bang! On Montenegro.
Wala, mag-shooter ng bola nila.
Flores. Air ball. Rebound on Alonso. For carry. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Guillermo, 14 to shoot. Bang, bang, bang! On Montenegro. Lee. Alonso. Now he's smiling face, Guillermo. Back to Pertari. Guillermo. 1 minute. Valeriano. Yes, on Valeriano. It's 85-56. Rolio. Ren. Short. 49 seconds. $40 seconds. 30 seconds.
Ano yun?
Ilan siguro?
10 seconds. And our gamer winner is Isabella, 85-56.